Hello everyone, myself Momin Mohammad Kais, and today's topic is participant requirements in clinical trials. So first we will discuss what is the clinical trial. So clinical trial is defined as an clinical trial is defined as a systemic investigation which are done on the human beings to evaluate the safety and efficacy of a drug. So clinical trials mainly done after the preclinical trials, where preclinical trials are the trials which are done on the animals, which include in vitro and in vivo studies. In vitro and in vivo, we use different animals. Then in clinical trials, there are mainly three phases: phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and phase 4. And phase 4 is post-marketing trial. In phase 1, that is first phase. In this phase, we check the safety, tolerability, pharmacokinetic, and pharmacodynamic property, in which the number of participants are 20 to 25 healthy volunteers, which the time duration is 6 to 12 months. The aim of this phase is to determine the maximum tolerated dose. So phase 1 is have different types like SAD, single ascending dose, then MAD, multiple ascending dose, then food effect. Food effect means investigation take place that how the absorption of drug is affected by the food. In phase 1, we take the patient which are suffering from anti-cancers or AIDS. Then phase 2 is also known as therapeutic confirmatory trials. It is the phase in which we take the volunteers or participants which are suffering from the diseases, that are 50 to 100 volunteers. In this phase, we confirm the effectiveness and monitor the side effect and further safety. There are mainly two types of phase 2. First one is to assign the required informations. Then second one is to determine the safety, where the first one is also called as single blind, and second one is called as double blind. Single blind means it is a study in which the patient is unaware about the procedure, only the physician is aware. Wherein double blind, physician and patient both are unaware, only nurse has all the requirements related to the operations. Then phase 3, that is therapeutic confirmatory trials. This is the third clinical trials in which there are participants up to 100 to 3000 or 100 to 3000, which approximately take 5 years. In this phase, we confirm the safety, efficacy, adverse effect, minor side effect, major side effects, and tolerability. This is the third phase, where phase 3 is also divided into two parts: phase 3A and phase 3B. Phase 3A is used to collect significant or sufficient data used for phase 3 clinical trials. Then phase 3B is used to allow the patient for the treatment and to check the additional safety, or we can say for label expansion. Label expansion means it shows that a drug works for that the drug works for any additional types of patient or diseases. For example, paracetamol, that is a type of drug used for analgesic, antipyretic, both of them. So this is label expansion. Then phase 4 is a post-marketing surveillance. It is the last phase which is done after the drug came into the market. In this phase, there is no number of participants or patient. There are thousands of peoples in this phase, which is done after the approval of a drug from the FDA. This phase helps to detect the adverse drug effect to check, secure the safety and efficacy, to evaluate the overdose, identification of new indications, etc. In this space, we report different ADRs. So this is all about the number of participants and different phases of clinical trials. Thank you.